Man, finding a solid laptop for office work can be such a headache. I spent weeks testing the top 5 models so you don't waste your money on slow boot times or tiny storage. From huge screens to lightweight portability, I've actually used each one in real-world work scenarios, and today I'm breaking down which one really earns its spot on your desk. Product number 1, HP 17.3 Business and Home Laptop. When I first picked up this HP 17.3-inch laptop, it felt surprisingly solid for such a large machine. The blue finish is subtle but professional, and the backlit keyboard with a fingerprint reader made logging a breeze. The touchscreen was responsive. I actually found myself scrolling through spreadsheets faster than I expected. Performance-wise, the AMD Ryzen 5 processor combined with 32 GB RAM handled multiple Chrome tabs, Excel sheets, and Zoom calls without breaking a sweat. That 2 TB SSD, opening huge files or booting up Windows 11 felt instant. The 17.3-inch screen is huge, which is great for multitasking, though it makes it less portable. I'd recommend this one if you're at a desk most of the day and need serious multitasking power. It's perfect for power users who want speed and space without worrying about lag. Moving on, I checked out something a little more compact but still surprisingly fast. Product number 2, HP 15.6-inch Business Laptop, Intel Core i3-1315U. Holding this 15.6-inch HP felt lighter than the big 17-inch model, but it still has a sturdy, professional build. I like that it didn't feel cheap, and the matte display made long hours working a lot easier on my eyes. Under the hood, the 13th Gen Intel i3 processor surprised me. It actually beat an older i7 I tested before, handling multiple apps, Teams meetings, and even some light photo editing without hiccups. The 32 GB RAM helped, and with the 1 TB SSD plus a 500 GB external, I never ran out of storage. Ports are solid too, Ethernet, USB-C, HDMI. It has everything I needed for plugging in monitors and peripherals. It's also easier to carry than the massive 17-inch model. Next, I tried a huge screen again, but with a more portable feel. Product number 3, 2025 17.6-inch laptop with Office 365. This 17.6-inch laptop immediately stood out with its massive FHD screen. Holding it, I noticed it's thinner and lighter than most 17-inch laptops, which made it easier to move around for meetings or travel. The build is surprisingly sleek, though it's still a bit big for a backpack. Storage was 640 GB, which is decent, and the included Office 365 subscription is a nice bonus. I didn't need to buy anything extra. Battery life was solid too. I got a full workday on a single charge, even while streaming videos for testing. I'd pick this one if you want a huge screen for presentations or multitasking, but still want a laptop that's fairly portable and long-lasting. From a giant display to a reliable mid-size option, this next HP is perfect for everyday tasks. Product number 4, HP 15 Laptop for Home or Work. The first thing I noticed holding this 15-inch HP is how lightweight it feels while still feeling solid. The thin bezel around the FHD display makes it feel bigger than it actually is, and the screen is bright enough to use comfortably without straining my eyes. With the Intel Core i3 processor and 8 GB RAM, this handled all my typical office work smoothly. Word, Excel, Teams, even some quick browser-based research all ran fine. The inclusion of Microsoft 365 for a year was a pleasant surprise, and I appreciated the WOWPC USB recovery option in case anything went wrong. Storage at 512 GB SSD is plenty for most office tasks, and it boots almost instantly. Finally, I tried a smaller, more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, HP 15.6-inch Student Laptop, Office 365. This HP 15.6-inch student laptop feels light and portable the moment I held it. It's not fancy, but the build is solid enough to toss in a backpack for school or work. The anti-glare screen isn't massive, but it's bright and sharp enough for long hours of Word docs, PowerPoint, or even some light video streaming. I tried opening multiple tabs and documents, and it didn't lag, which was nice for the price. Storage comes as 128 GB internal plus a 256 GB SD card, which is convenient if you need extra space. Microsoft 365 subscription and Copilot AI are built in, which makes productivity easier without extra setup. If you need something light, portable, and affordable for office work or school, this one's a solid pick. All 5 laptops have their strengths, depending on what you need: huge screens, portability, or heavy multitasking. I've linked each one in the description so you can check current prices and grab the best fit for your workflow.